So moving on to question number 8, we have been given a table over here, and then it says for the linear function f, the table shows 3 values of x and their corresponding values of f of x. So which equation defines f of x? So here we have the input x and its corresponding output f of x given in the table, and we have to figure out the equation which defines f of x. That means for this input, this output you have to get. So which of these 4 functions is it matching to? So an equation that defines, so since they have already mentioned that it's a linear function, we know that linear functions are written in the form f of x is equal to mx plus b. And we know that m and b, they are constants. So now we have to use the values in the table to figure out the m and b. So the easiest one would be to first use x is 0 and f of x as 29. So we will plug that in or substitute that. So 29 is equal to m times 0 plus b. So this is the easiest way to calculate b. So if we know the value of at x is equal to 0, it's very easy to figure out b, or in other words called as the y-intercept, if we calculate with the line. So b is equal to 29. So we figured out 29. That means we can actually eliminate a few answers already. Let's say b is eliminated and d is eliminated because b is 29. So now we have only a and c to decide from. So which means for that we can use another set of input and output. Now that we know b is 29, let us now substitute. We can use another set of values where x is 1 and f of x is 32. So f of x 32 is equal to m times 1 plus, now we know the value of b, plus 29. That means m plus 29, in other words m plus 29 equals 32. Just subtract 29 on both sides. So m's value we will get. So 32 minus 29 is 3. So m is equal to 3. So now let's plug in both the values. Now we know that m is 3 and b is 29. So if we substitute in this one, f of x is equal to mx plus b, we will get f of x is equal to 3x plus, remember b is 29. So which it is matching to? It is matching to answer choice A. So we can see that A is the correct answer. So for these type of questions, first we can calculate the b if we know x as 0, and then calculate b, and after that we can use that value of b and calculate m also. That's the simple.